Hey, welcome to the Street Sense group chat.
We post daily videos to help make money stuff make sense.
I don't know about y'all, but I am so happy it's summer. These long summer days that never seem to end.
Yeah, my coats are all packed up in the closet. Scarves, mitts, gone till fall.
Yes, we have been outside. We have been tanned.
My favorite activity is reading on a blanket in the park.
Oh, that's good. I like picnics.
I love summer concerts, loud music, all your friends around. It's great.
Oh, good. Okay, so I have a question. Do you both have enough cash that you need for all the fun you want to have for the rest of the summer?
I don't want to know.
I'm gonna check and get back to you.
Okay, well, I looked into a summer job, so here's what it's like to be a dishwasher. Can I ask you a question? How'd you get back here? Just coming to hang out with you. What's the job like here? I clean the bakery's dishes. I rinse them off by hand and then add them to the dishwasher. Seems pretty straightforward. Yeah, but I gotta tell you, it can be disgusting. Probably shouldn't do it if you have an easy gag reflex. It can be nasty. Nah, I'm tough. Well, I think so. You have to do it for long? My shifts are 4 or 5 hours long, and I usually finish up by 4. Bonus, I got a free meal. Not bad. I work weekends in the spring, but once school is finished up for the summer, I could probably work up like 4 shifts a week. Nice. How much do you get paid? Oh, it's minimum wage, and in Manitoba, that's $14.50 an hour now. Was it hard to get the job? I found a post on Facebook, and then my parents helped me write a resume. Then I got the interview. Ooh, how was the interview? Was it scary? Oh, it was quick and easy. We did it over FaceTime. It was so chill. Okay. Overall, do you like it? It's pretty good all around. This is my 2nd year, and the drink dispenser's pretty cool. I got unlimited iced tea. And it can get pretty hot, so I really like the cool breeze that can come in from the window by the sink. Simple pleasures. Thanks for the tips. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, can you pass me those plates on your way out? Told you. All the info shared here today is legit from a 13-year-old working at a bakery in Manitoba.
Okay, people were really worried about the dishwasher's age in the comments.
Yeah, okay, so our dishwasher applied when they were 12, but only started working after they were 13, and now this year they're turning 14. So that's how they were able to do this.
Okay.
I didn't realize that there were such different minimum working ages in each province. So in Manitoba, it's 13.
Yeah, and in Ontario, it's 14 or 15, depending on the job.
See, how young is too young? Because get this, if you are younger than 15 days, you cannot work in the recorded entertainment industry in Ontario.
Oh.
Okay, so that means technically there could be 16-day-old babies on TV.
Yeah?
Those poor babies. They're getting put to work before they can even walk.
Start them young.
Okay, we've talked about earning money. How about spending money?
Ooh.
What should we spend it on?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm not your boss, so I'm not gonna tell you. However, if you did want to spend it at Canada's Wonderland, I do have tips.
Oh, roller coaster it.
This is nuts. Like, at what point is a Canada's Wonderland Seasons Pass worth it? Clearly, they're using a tiered pricing strategy, but we'll get to that in a second. But first, a 2-day pass with nothing else added on costs $97.38, including fees and taxes. And the lowest tier Seasons Pass, which does not include Halloween Haunt, Winterfest, etc., is gonna cost $113.21. So if the plan is just go twice, a Seasons Pass is probably not worth it. More than that, sure. But also remember, these are the prices right now and they could change. But we gotta talk about the site and its tiered pricing. I had to go through all of these added value options before checkout. And within those options, there are more options with price variation. Like, do you want a fast lane or do you want a fast lane plus for $10 more? Do you want all day dining without drinks? Do you want premium all day dining with drinks? Or do you just want a single meal? But no matter what, it looks like funnel cakes are not included. Nuts. And businesses are using tiered pricing to increase profits. Also, for the record, people are saying that the meal plan is not worth it. You can walk across the street to get food, which will be about a half-hour one way depending on how deep you are in the park. What are your Wonderland saving hacks?
So many price points.
Tears on tears. I'm getting tears in my eyes just thinking about it.
Yeah, this one commenter said that they basically just close their eyes and buy.
I kind of vibe with that.
Yeah, and other commenters said they just don't go at all.
Oh, well, that is a way to save money, but then you're missing out on the coasters. So.
Yeah, that's true. Another thing is bringing your own food, keeping it in the car in a cooler, and then eating in the parking lot. However, remember,
You have to pay for parking.
exactly, you still do.
Which means you'd also need a car to get there.
Yeah,
True.
that's another video for another day.
Well, if you are gonna go to Wonderland, you absolutely should wear sunscreen, and I made a video on testing whether or not it's working. So,
Fun in the sun vibes?
yeah.
Party in the UV rays.
You know, let's watch the video.
Okay.
So I've been seeing these color-changing dots that tell you when it's time to reapply your sunscreen. Of course, I had to test them for myself. And yes, this is my personal experience, not scientific.
Dermatree technology changes color when it's time for you to reapply. Simply stick it on, apply sunscreen, and activate with direct sunlight.
How quickly it turns clear or goes purple depends on stuff like the UV index that day, the time spent in the sun, and how well your sunscreen works. Now, I tried these on 3 separate occasions over the span of a week, and the results were, well, mixed. The first time it was an overcast day, and then I went indoors, so the dot didn't turn clear until hours later. The second time, the dot did go clear, and after a few hours of being outdoors and indoors, it had a tinge of purple, just faintly. For my final test, I went all out. 2 arms, 2 dots, outside, no shade. On one side I put a single layer of sunscreen and on the other a double layer. Both dots went clear almost immediately. After 2 hours, the single layer was very light purple and the double layer had a splotch of purple. It just looked like a bruise. Honestly, I just found the whole process to be kinda unnecessary. My instinct to reapply kicks in every 90 minutes or so when I'm outside. And I didn't really trust the color change because it was so subtle. Do you forget to reapply?
So not sun fun vibes for you then?
No, I'd rather just reinvest that money into a better quality sunscreen.
Yeah, someone commented that people put the sunscreen too thickly on the dot, as if you only put it on the dot.
Yeah, I didn't get that part. The company also joined us in the comments. They confirmed that the sun dots are not for indoor use, but I'm just saying they didn't work that well outdoors either.
Yeah, you also could just set a reminder on your phone to put on sunscreen every 90 minutes.
Whatever works for you.
All good things, but I gotta be honest, all this talk about sun is making me really want to go outside and get some of that glory myself, so
Yes.
I need some vitamin D.
yeah.
Yes, and until the next time, you can see us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.